Hello all and welcome back. It's Cody Wyman here again. In this video we're going to discuss the octave. So the octave is, get your pens ready, get your notebooks ready. The octave is, hang on just a moment. The octave is a group of 8 notes from one home note to the other. For example, from C to C, C number 3 to C number 4. Let me do that again. C number 3 to C number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice the octave has the same pitch, but it's 8 keys apart. And it's 8 white keys apart. We're not talking chromatically, but we're talking whole steps. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All on white notes. Okay? So that's the octave. And there are 8 octaves in the piano. And this is about the 3rd octave going into the 4th octave. Right about here. So that has 8 different tones, and tones number 1 and 8 are the same, but they're apart. They're higher and lower than each other. All right. If you have any questions on what the octave is, feel free to shoot me a comment. Also, when you have an octave or 8 VA in sheet music, it means to go above or below what is written by an octave. If it's written 8 VA in the treble clef above the notes, then it means to go an octave higher. If it's written in the bass clef and it's 8 VA or 8 VB, it means to go an octave lower than written. So you would go from octave 3 to octave 2. From octave 3 to octave 2 and play down there. All right. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and I will see you in the next video.